equals to minus 4. Therefore x equals to minus 1. Put it in 1. Minus 1 plus 2y equals to 3. Therefore 2y equals to 4. Y equals to 2. So x equals to minus 1. Y equals to 2. That is the answer. Okay, we have one more to solve. 4x plus y by 3 equals to 16 by 3. And x upon 2 plus 2y upon 4 equals to 5 by 2. So first solve these equations within themselves. So what? 4 3s are 12. This one. 4 3s are 12 plus y upon 3 equals to 16 by 3. 3 3 gone. So 12x plus y equals to 16. Similarly this second one now. 2x plus 2y upon 4 equals to 5 by 2. Therefore 2 and the 2 2s are, and it becomes 10. 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Therefore x plus y equals to 5. Now the equations are easier now. 3 and 4, right? Earlier it was 1 2. We have given them the new numbers 3 by 3 4. So what's difficult now? 3 minus 4. So 12 minus 1 is 11, and 16 minus 5 is 11. So x equals to 11, and put it in 4. So 1 plus y equals to 5, y equals to 4. So x equals to 1, y equals to 4. Move on. Next. Next problem is a lengthier one. We'll solve it in the next video because it would be too boring for you now. So download YoGuru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download YoGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.